Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 9.2 question number 1. Find the sum. Today we'll solve question number 5. Here see question number 5 is question number 5 is question number 5. Question number 5 is -8 -8 -8 by 19 -8 minus 8 by 19 plus -2 by 57 by 57 by 57. First of all, we know that is equal to, you can write here as -8 by 19, and plus into minus is minus, there is -2 by 57. You'll find the LCM of 19 and 57. You'll find the LCM, that is 19 57. If you divide it by 19 1 is 99 and 19 3 57, right? Therefore LCM is equal to 57. Therefore we are writing here as LCM is 57, that is 57. If we divide 57 by 19, it will be 3, that is minus 8 into 3, that's 8 into 3 minus, if we divide 57 by 50, it will be 1, minus 2 into 1, 2 into 1. It is come to minus 3 is minus 24 minus 2 by 57. That comes to minus 24 minus 2 is minus 26 by 57, right? Therefore we got minus 26 by 57, right? That is the answer, minus 26 by 57. Now we'll solve question number, this is the answer. We'll solve question number 6. Question number 6 here you see is minus 2 by 3 plus 0. Here we are getting the same thing, that is equal to minus 2 by 3. This is the answer. When we add anything with 0, the same thing comes again, that is minus 2 by 3. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is you see here, this is question number 7. Question number 7 is minus 2 whole 1 by 3 plus 4 whole 3 by 5, that is 3 is 6 plus 1 7 minus 7 by 3 plus 4 for 20 plus 3 23 by 5, that is equal to LCM of 3 and 5 is 15, right? And this is minus 7. If we divide 15 by 3, it is 5, and minus 7 into 5 plus divide 15 by 5, that is 3, 23 into 3 that is comes to minus 35 plus 23 into 3 is 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, plus 69, and this is by 15. If we subtract 35 from 69, 69, subtract 35, 35, 549, 3, 34, that is we are getting 34, that is 34 by 15, 34 by 15. Now you see, this is 69, this is 35, the greater number is 69, therefore the sign will plus, that is plus 34 by 15, plus 34 by 15. Now if we divide 34 by 15, 15 we are getting 15 to the 30, 15 to the 30, that is 4, or we can write is here as 2 whole 4 by 15, 2 whole 4 by 15, right? That is 2 whole 4 by 15. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.